Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Also, if you are new, welcome. So this week we have a complete disaster, true speed clean going on in my Helping Hand series. So I on this day had 1 hour, just 1 hour to help out this weekend. It was a crazy weekend. We had a lot going on, but I still wanted to take some time and help out. So I'm going to show you how working in areas that you see on a daily basis can be so motivating. People are always asking, how do you get the motivation to do this? How do you get the motivation to keep going? And something I say all the time is work on flat surfaces and work on high traffic areas. And I'm not talking like your front entry, because obviously that can be high traffic, but I mean high traffic in a way of this is where you and your family hang out regularly. This is a spot that'll affect you the most if it's clean or dirty.
Maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry.
Oh, I also got this new scrubber this week. I am obsessed with this thing. I actually got it. I keep seeing everyone using it in their shower, and I will use it in my shower. I love the idea of it. But this one having this extended wand, what really got to me, because this is the one area that I hate cleaning my house, anybody's house, but that like behind the toilet where you have to like hug your toilet to get behind it and really clean it. I thought this is the perfect tool for doing that. So I've been using it all over though. It worked amazing at scrubbing out down this door that had stains of, I don't know what's on it. But I just use that with my crud cutter and you can see like it looks so much better.
'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best, and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this.
Also, if you are new to my channel, like I said, this is my Helping Hand series. This is not my house. This is me going to somebody else's house who was in the need of a helping hand. I've helped single parents, elderly, if it's due to chronic illness, injury, pain, depression, whatever it is. I just try and go and give that helping hand. You can see here though, I always get surprised when I see certain videos and like after they're done cleaning, the house is like perfect. This often is a situation of that's not how it works. It's not just a dirty home. Often when it's a depression situation or injury situation, you will notice that even the house, like after you clean it, it's not going to look perfect because there's things that have to be done other than cleaning to bring this home back to a more livable space. Luckily, this family is at that point where they plan on painting and replacing doors and doing stuff like that. So I know this may not be that like super crazy satisfying after of everything looks brand new, but this is real life. Unfortunately, when people go through states of depression or injury or chronic illness, it's not just the cleaning that goes to the wayside, but it can be just basic home maintenance that they can't do either. So I love being able to come in here and just give them that motivation to do more when they are ready for it. I have definitely gone to some people's houses where I had to leave, and it wasn't because I didn't want to help them, it's because they weren't ready. After a day of working with them, it was obvious that there was really nothing I could do. They weren't in a mindset where I could come in and truly help them.
I'm so out of love, like I'm so out of place. I can't get away, can't run away, I can't
I was super excited to see. Now, there are still bugs in this house, for sure, but most of the bugs I saw today were dead, which made me so happy. They are taking the steps they need to work with the bug problem. Also, unfortunately, especially down here in Florida, once you get them, they are very, very difficult to get rid of, and it takes a lot of patience and consistency. It's not just a spray and you're done, or a quick bomb of your house and you're done. There really is, like, consistency is key with getting rid of the bugs in this situation. But I noticed so many were dead. There were a lot less actually living bugs here. And I know that sounds gross, but it can sometimes just be the reality, especially when you're dealing with areas of the house that they need holes fixed. Can be a big issue for bugs, so it gives them a lot of areas to hide. And then obviously just dirt and things that need to be cleaned. So I am just really hoping, between me helping them get their house clean and in order, and then them staying on top of the repairs on the house as well as the bug spraying, to really help get this family area under control. Also, I know I say this in every video, but if you are new here, I do want to point out that this is a safe space. So please, no negative comments. I am not above blocking people and deleting comments if I think it can be hurtful to the people that I am helping. I am here to help them, and if I am helping them, it is because they have hit a point where they are ready to make a difference and make a change in their life. So please be kind in the comments. It's probably my biggest rule here on my Helping Hand series is be kind. You never know what someone is going through. And there's so many different stories that I've heard from people that you just can't judge and compare when you haven't walked in their shoes. So you may be like, I don't think I could ever let my life get this bad, but you really don't know because you've never been through the situation that these people are going through, or maybe you have, but we all react very, very differently, and sometimes what one person can find to be the straw that broke the camel's back isn't someone else's. So big thing here is just be kind and be grateful that if you're not in this situation that you aren't, but some people are, and I am happy to come in and help. They had a leak coming from their AC unit, so I wanted to get as much of this water cleaned up as possible, and then we had to lay down new towels because they didn't want to turn the AC unit off. We've been in the 90s with heat indexes in the hundreds, so that was something that turning it off really wasn't an option for them, but trying to keep up on not having all the moisture. They didn't realize it was leaking as bad as it was. So like I said, I was just doing as much water cleanup over here as possible, and then getting more towels down to hopefully help prevent the pooling of water again.
I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me.
A lot of the stuff out here on the sofas were out here because they do have teenage daughters that I think they're working on their bedrooms. Like I said, they've been working on the house. They recently got a new toilet, which if you guys seen my other videos, you know how exciting that is that they were able to replace the one in the teenager's bathroom. But they've been sleeping out here while they were getting other stuff done as well. So I just wanted to tidy up this area for them and make it feel a little bit cozier. I did end up having the mattress moved back into the bedroom just because they didn't realize that leak was there and was getting the mattress actually wet. So to make sure that it didn't get completely ruined, I wanted to make sure that was out of this room.
A feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left?
I also think this is a great way. I know I say all the time progress over perfection, and it really is super important because it's really easy to get stuck in the mindset of having to do something perfectly, and if it's not perfect, feeling like you failed. This is a perfect example of I only had an hour this day to help them out, and within this hour, it's not perfect. Is there still a lot of stuff that could be done? Absolutely. But the amount of a difference that it makes in this room is huge, just taking that hour. So if you deal with, you're just busy and you only have an hour, or what I hear more often is you deal with chronic pain or illness or something like that, and you just physically can't go over a certain amount of time, I still urge you to take that 10, 30 minutes, an hour, whatever your body allows, and focus on high impact areas, and just do a little bit every day, and it will make a difference. I promise. You may not notice it right away, but it does make a difference. So remember that even these power hours where you only have a little bit of time to get stuff done, you can still get a lot done and make a huge difference in your life, or if you're helping someone else. I would love to see more and more people do these helping hand series and just help people in their community. I know this is a lot, and a lot of people aren't willing to take on this big of a project, but I also know there's a lot of people out there that are, and think of the massive difference we could make in our communities if we all just took an hour a weekend to help someone out. I noticed once they had come in and gone into this bedroom that the other side of the door needed a really good cleaning also. And since they had opened the door, I decided that I would scrub this down as well. Like I said, I was so impressed with this scrubber. Between the scrubber and the crud cutter, nearly everything came off. There were some stains that aren't going to come off, and that's just normal. But this worked, so you can just see the dirt and grime as I'm cleaning it. Super gross, but super satisfying to see once it's all wiped up how much better this area looks.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You're right on my...
Well, I really hope you guys got some major motivation out of today's video. This quick speed clean gave you that burst to tackle something in your home. I also want to take the time of, if you ever feel discouraged or inadequate or anything in your life, just know there are so many people going through stuff that you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone has those moments. And I'm proud of you. I am proud of every little step that you took today to help better yourself. But if you guys are new here, I would love if you would like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you stay up to date with any new content I have coming out. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.
With you, there are no stop signs.